Hi, I'm Dr. Joel Schlessinger. I'm CEO of LovelySkin.com and a board-certified dermatologist, cosmetic surgeon, and Mohs surgeon. So the idea of LovelySkin started in 1997. I was on my way back from a satellite office. I was working and it was late in the afternoon. My mind was wandering and I said, you know, if Amazon can sell books online, why can't we sell skincare products? For the first 5 years, from the time that we came up with the idea till 2002, we lost about $50,000 a year. But then in 2002, we started making money because we found the ability to put our products on Google, Bing, what was then Overture. Because we invested into search, we had the ability to accrue customers at a very, very small amount of output. And it was something where we just did it as kind of a hobby until we actually grew to the point where we needed a larger facility.
My name is Liz Donlin. I'm the operations manager for the fulfillment center here at LovelySkin. We moved into this brand new facility a year ago. This facility has yielded us just infinite efficiencies, from the amount of dock doors to just sheer square footage, storage space, efficiencies in picking and packing. So there's been a lot of positive for the employees in their day-to-day. This warehouse houses between 10 and 15,000 SKUs. So organizing that and keeping things optimized from a picking and packing perspective is a big challenge, and one thing that we've been able to do right in this new facility by properly laying out racks and adding new storage capabilities throughout the warehouse in this new facility.
So it really was a tough thing for me to have the warehouse go 18 miles away from my medical clinic and store. And it was a leap of faith, but I will tell you that without having the ability to have this be a 75,000 square foot warehouse, we wouldn't have ever been able to grow.
Well, for number one, the automation that we've implemented in this facility almost tripled our capacity in terms of what we can accomplish in a day. We don't use that capacity every single day, but it's there when we need it, which is huge.
My name is Josh Messerschmidt. I'm Director of IT Infrastructure. So when I started, we were averaging about 500 orders per day. We're now at 3,000 orders per day. It wouldn't be possible without automation. It just wouldn't be able to scale. With this latest iteration with StreamTech, we've been able to peak between 11 and 12,000 orders per day. Another major improvement here at this building in this current iteration is that we weigh in motion, we dimension in motion, we apply in motion using 3 different print and applies, or pandas. And all of that is, we don't stop. So we don't stop the system if we're out of labels, anything like that. We try to avoid the system being stopped. At sortation, same kind of thing. We have 13 sort lanes, and when a lane is full, it waterfalls to the next. We don't stop. That's one of our main goals with this project.
We create boxes faster now. We went from about 20 boxes a minute to be able to create as much as 60 boxes a minute. We can have materials at our fingertips at a moment's notice with some of these new enhancements.
Natural light for me is an absolute must. It's something that I think is important, and when we looked at warehouses, we saw warehouses that were dark, dingy, and had absolutely no flavor, no personality, and that's where we brought in the light.
I enjoy using automation and electronics to simplify and improve processes, and we get a lot of ability to do that here.
To me, it's always the customers. The thing that makes me excited is the fact that we have customers that we're taking care of. They're happy. They're going to be able to have a product to their door in anywhere from 2 to 4 days. And we always want to have free shipping to the US, and that's something where the ability to have this phenomenal automation system, plus the ability to be here centrally in the middle of the United States in Omaha, Nebraska, allows us the opportunity to take care of people, make them happy, and take care of their skincare needs.
So StreamTech has wizards on their side that can do amazing things. One thing that continuously surprised us was we would have a concept of, oh, we'd like to do this, something like this, and then they would come back and most of the time have something that was even better than what we envisioned. And I think that's just from past experience and staying current in the industry.
The future of LovelySkin, I think, has become much better since we've come to this facility with this automation. We've already seen a 20% decrease in our amount of work to be done. Our efficiency has improved dramatically, and we have the ability to take on more lines, more products, and add to the compendium of what we offer for our customers, and hopefully better customer service because of that, the ability to have happier workers, and a more efficient system with fewer steps for our workers means a much better environment for everybody.